Mark Twain.
Texas and Mexico. I'll be sure to point out interesting sights along the way. New Orleans is rich in history, music, good food. See for yourself after we arrive back at the landing in Frontierland. We're now passing Fowler's Harbor. This is homeport for the three-masted windjammer, the Columbia, the first American ship to circumnavigate the globe. American ship to carry the stars and stripes around the world. The most famous landmark in this area is Tiana's Foods, built on an old sawed dome and home to Tiana's Bayou Adventure. From here, you might spot guests making quite a splash at Princess Tiana's party. Head on over when you get the chance. You're almost there. While you're in Bayou Country, you might want to grab a paddle and try your hand at the Explorer canoes. You can work up a real good sweat rowing one of those around the river. Me, I'll take the comfort of the Mark Twain Riverboat any day. As we head into the remote areas of the rivers of America, you're in for a real treat. I've been navigating these parts for years now. Deer and elk along the banks. It's all so magnificent and so peaceful. To the side of the river is an Indian chief, and I do believe he's giving us a sign of peace. That means we're all clear as we head up the Missouri River to the home of the Plains Indians. port side of the river is a wise old shark, sharing a story for all of us to hear. He's telling the tale of how a woodpecker taught a young tribesman to take a hollowed-out language and turn it into that most wondrous of musical instruments, the flute. It's a legend, but Lakota passed down from generation to generation. And there, just beyond the shore, is a tribe of Plains Indians setting up their camp along the banks of the river. They'll be there for a few months and then move on. Mountain lions and other wildlife.
I just wanted to get a picture of you. If that's okay. Thank you.
On behalf of our entire crew, I'd like to thank you for booking passage on the Mark Twain Riverboat. At this time, we ask that you prepare to disembark. If you're on one of the upper decks, please make your way down to the first deck. The stairways to the right side and the back of the boat, they offer the quickest and easiest route.
Thank you,
Bye-bye,
Tiana.
Enjoy your time now.